I forgot what year it was. I was thinking it was 2013. It's 2018. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I am sitting on the floor. I'm in my room. This is my new bedding. What is up? So today is the very first day of May 2018 box week. I forgot what year it was. I was thinking it was 2013. It's 2018. So really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, you have no idea what's going on. First of all, I don't know what's going on either. Secondly, hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to YouTube channel. Box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the one week every single month that me and my YouTube subscribers, the Just Like Drew crew, we spend 7 days together consecutively. Lately, it's been like 10, 11, 12 days. Basically, we open all my subscription boxes. We hang out. We have a new video every day. We comment back and forth. It is like the most fun thing we do on my YouTube channel. So if you're not in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever families. We are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so first off, I want to make a disclaimer. So I know I literally was just like, we have a new video every single day. I'm starting box week today because we lately have been getting so many boxes and box week goes like really late. So I'm starting it today in hopes that we'll be able to have a consecutive 7 days. I have not received close to even enough boxes yet for a full box week. So I'm starting with hope that we will receive enough boxes to make a 7 straight days. If there's a break in box week this month, it's not that we're not doing box week anymore normally. It's just that I'm trying to get this done a little earlier in the month than we have been the last couple of months. So, the other thing I wanted to mention is the stockpile giveaway winner. I'm picking them today. So I will, before this video goes online, I will be responding to the person who won the stockpile giveaway. I'll be commenting to their comment and I'll be like, hey, you won the stockpile giveaway. They're going to have 48 hours to claim their prize. If it does not get claimed, as I said in the stockpile giveaway video, that giveaway is just going to roll into this giveaway that we're putting together starting today. So if you're still new and you're still here, what am I even talking about? The last few months we started something on my YouTube channel called a stockpile giveaway. Basically, I take this box and I fill it up with goodies that I receive in my subscription boxes. I keep some things, I give some things away, and basically we hodgepodge a bunch of awesome things together. Last month we gave away a ColourPop eyeshadow palette, all kinds of stuff like that, and I'm selecting the winner today. The giveaway just ended like 2 days ago. So we're starting a new giveaway today. This box might suddenly become super duper full if the person who wins does not claim it. And as I said, I will respond directly to their comments on the YouTube video. So make sure you have your YouTube email comments set up. Also, I will post on my Snapchat and my Instagram story the winner's name. So all that said, so that because I get a million messages when I do giveaways like, well, who won? I'm like, I'm telling you exactly how you will know if you won. So now that we're finally into the video, 3 minutes into this unboxing, my bad, we are going to be opening tonight Ipsy. Ipsy is one of the favorites on my YouTube channel. It is a subscription that was actually the one that started the subscription craze on my channel. It is $10 a month. If at the end of this video you watch this and you're like, you know what, I kind of want to check out Ipsy, I will put a referral code down below in the description box of this video so you can check it out and sign up for yourself. I want to say that this one feels really heavy today. Like, I'm really excited. Every month they give you a bunch of items curated to you, your specific like skin color, hair kind, color, stuff, whatever. So every month they have a special bag, and this month's bag is, oh my goodness, it looks like stamps on a passport. I really like it. It's cute. Also, it's like plastic. Unexpected. And inside of the actual Ipsy thing, there was, oh my god, there was a face mask. Yay! You guys know I love face masks. This is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask from Dr. Y. Alexandries, MD, Harley Street, London. Okay, I'm definitely going to keep this. You guys know I love trying new face masks and telling you guys what I think of them, so I'm keeping the face mask. Also, it's Rose. As I've said before, Rose skincare products are like everything right now. If you're like, how do I get my skin under control? Rose. How do I get my face to be balanced? Rose. How do I get my skin to be like have more clarity and brightness? Rose. I'm just gonna say it. So that is the first item we got, is this 111 Skin face mask. All right, I'm going into the Ipsy bag now to see what we have in here. All right, first thing I'm pulling out of the bag is Pretty Woman nail polish, which is partially open. Ooh, it's in like a cool metallic purple color. So this actually looks really pretty. I'm definitely going to put that into our stockpile giveaway. That'll be the first item in our May stockpile giveaway box. As many of you know, I get my nails done. I'm really, really bad at painting my nails. And also, this is a really beautiful color, and I think somebody's going to have a lot of fun with it. And it's definitely like this cool purpley tone here. So this is going to be the first item going into our giveaway box is purple nail polish. All right, the next item I'm pulling out of here, it looks like it is a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo, and it's a really pretty like reddish tone. Oh my god, that is also going into the giveaway box. Look at that lip color. I don't know if we've ever put anything like that lip color in the giveaway box, so I'm really excited for somebody to win that also, because when I put these boxes together, I really like people to have a little bit of everything so they can just feel like completely awesome and amazing, a little skincare, a little makeup, and they can just get their life. So yay, excited. All right, the next item that we have in here is Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Shadow Premium Eyeshadow in Mermaid Teal. Ooh, look at that eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. This looks like a really cool eyeshadow color. Oh my god. Ooh, it's like duochrome, so that's what it looks like on my hand, and that is the shadow on the back of my hand. I really like it. It's kind of weird. It's actually, believe it or not, this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone. It's a little bit darker than the blues I like. I like wearing eyeshadows that are more of like an icy blue, and this is a little bit more of an intense greenish blue. So, which, not intense, but it's just like a little bit darker than I usually like to play with when it comes to makeup, because it kind of challenges me to wear something a little bit outside of my comfort zone. So we got that, and then the last item that we have is Delicate Skin Cleansing Gel, I can't talk, with chamomile extract, licorice extract, and aloe vera from Mad Skincare. Okay, so this is actually gonna go in the giveaway box also. I always like giving you guys different cleansers and skin creams to try out as well. I feel like those are really great items to always have, especially if you don't get, you know, as many subscriptions as I do, and it is a lot. So we're going to recap our bag here, and the first thing that we got was the 111 Skin, the Rose face mask, which I think there's a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. My guess is probably also like a hydrogel, so I'm excited to try that one. We got the nail polish from Pretty Woman. I'm trying to open this again to show you the shade one more time. It's that really cool purple tone that is going into our giveaway box. We got the Pop Goes the Shadow in Mermaid Teal, which is right there on the back of my hand. We got the NYX lip cream in the shade Monte Carlo, which I am like living for this lip shade. Like, I love it so much, but I'm like putting that in the giveaway box also. And the Delicate Skin Cleansing Gel from Mad Skincare, which has like chamomile extract, licorice extract, and aloe vera, which also sounds really, really great for your skin. So we're starting off our stockpile giveaway awesomely, putting those in here. It's not a lot so far, but I think it's gonna get filled up. Last month, like, we filled up the box in 1 month. It was insane. So I'm excited to see if we get our box full to give away this month also. So if you're watching this and you're brand new and you stayed to the end of this video, like, I'm laughing because I'm like, this is a lot to take in, and I'm really impressed that you're still here. If you're like, how do I even win one of the giveaway videos? It's really simple. Basically, all I do is once the box is full, I just give it away, and I will post a video just saying we're doing the stockpile giveaway. You just have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. That's pretty much it, and I'll just have you comment below that video with whatever just to enter. So that's actually all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for Box Week May Day 2, and hopefully we have a consecutive 7 days. All right, talk to you soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Safe to say that we absolutely love these products. It was a little bit of a learning experience, like I said, trying out the different conditioners and things like that, because like I said, the deep conditioner, it really like deep conditions hair.